Hi, I'm Terence from Ludlow Thompson Estate Agents. We're just here today in the heart of Bow Development in E3, just to carry out a quick video tour of the lovely one-bedroom apartment behind me. It's a lovely brick-built modern development benefiting from allocated parking. It's actually secure allocated parking, which is underground just down here, and then the main entrance of the block is just behind me here. As you can see, there's really lovely communal gardens. We're in a great location, very close to the A12, Canary Wharf, and then Roman Road Market is just a short walk behind me here, with very easy access to Bow Road and Mile End Tube Station. We'll just go for a quick tour now of the property so that you can get a better idea. Okay, so this is the video tour of the new first floor, one bed in Christopher Bell Tower. We have a great entrance hall just here, which has some storage just here, master bedroom just to my right, and then bathroom and secure entry as well system. What we'll do is we'll just start off in the reception. So it's actually a southeast facing reception, which is a really nice size. Does benefit from dual light with lots of windows, making the apartment really nice and bright. So obviously we have the living area set up here currently, which is really nicely sort of sectioned off. We then have a dining area just here, right next to the balcony, which is obviously a really nice shot. Cat just relaxing there as well. But just to give you an idea on the room size. And then as I mentioned, so we have the dining area right next to the balcony. So it's a really nice sized balcony, sort of southeast, south facing. Floor to ceiling windows. Just looking onto the development and the communal gardens just here. And then we have a nice modern kitchen, all in really great condition. Really well looked after by the current tenants, with a gas cooker. And what I'll just do is just take you around so you can have a look at the property from this angle as well. We then have the family bathroom just inside here. So it's really nicely tiled, three-piece bathroom, all in really nice condition again. Okay, from here we have the master bedroom. Nice bright south-facing window again. It's a really good sized bedroom. What I'll just do is take you around so you can have a look from this angle, as we do have a fitted wardrobe there as well. Okay. And then just back around to the entrance. Just the entrance hall here with the storage cupboard. And then I will just flip back round just so we can finish off with another view of the reception. Okay, so that was the video tour of the one-bed apartment within the modern development in the heart of Bow, Pancras Way. Does benefit from a private balcony, dual aspect, modern finish and secure allocated parking as well. If you would like any further information or you're keen to arrange a viewing for the property, please give us a ring on 0208 981 2670, or alternatively you can email us at bowsales@ludlowthompson.com. Thank you for watching.